English that is actually used overseas. Perfect for beginners and kids. Episode 3. Responses to being invited. Do you want to grab lunch sometime? How would you reply? What would a native say? I'd love to. I'd love to. Want to see a movie? What's the more natural reply? What would people usually say? Sure. Sure. Are you free this weekend? What would friends say? What do people actually say? I'm in. I'm in. Want to grab a coffee? How could you keep it short? How would a native put it? Sounds good. Sounds good. Want to go shopping later? What would you say here? What's the natural response? Why not? Why not? Let's have dinner together. What's the most common reply? In everyday conversation? Count me in. Count me in. Want to take a trip together? What's the natural reply? How would a native answer? That sounds fun. That sounds fun. Let's go for a walk. What if it's casual? What do people usually say? Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's play a game. What's the natural one-liner? What would you say in English? I'm down. I'm down. Do you have time tomorrow? Here's another common reply. What would you say? Works for me. Works for me. Want to go karaoke? What's a short reply? How would a native respond? Absolutely. Absolutely. Let's go out for a bit. What's a casual reply? What do people actually say? Sure thing. Sure thing. Let's check out a new cafe. What's a friendly response? How would you say it? Sounds like a plan. Sounds like a plan. Want to study together? Ready for one more? What's a native-like reply? I'd be happy to. I'd be happy to. Want to grab a drink? What's a great way to finish? Ready for the last one? I'd love to. I'd love to. That sounds fun. That sounds fun. Let's do it. Let's do it. I'm down. I'm down. Works for me. Works for me. Absolutely. Absolutely. Sure thing. Sure thing. Sounds like a plan. Sounds like a plan. I'd be happy to. I'd be happy to. I'd love to. I'd love to. Thank you for watching. We will upload new stories every day. Let's enjoy learning English together.